Find or read reviews that people are talking about Polocsh 360 degrees adjustable stand and electric focus, Polocsh Projector, native 1080p projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Immersive viewing experience. Featuring a stunning 1920x 1080p native resolution and supporting up to 4K resolution. The Polocsh Projector undergoes rigorous testing to eliminate issues like poor image quality and color distortion. It brings your movies, games, and presentations to life. Its versatile 16:9/4:3 aspect ratio allows you to customize your viewing experience, whether on widescreen or standard displays. Enhanced projection flexibility. Experience unparalleled flexibility with our smart projector, featuring electric and automatic focusing, plus or minus 45-degree trapezoidal correction. An intelligent obstacle avoidance for auto screen alignment. Effortlessly achieve optimal projection in any environment. The 360 degrees rotatable stand simplifies installation, ensuring the best projection effect in any scenario. Exceptional viewing experience. Delight in stunning visual clarity and vibrant colors with 600 ANSI lumens brightness and an impressive 15,000 by 1 high dynamic contrast ratio that exceeds expectations. Whether for movies, gaming, or presentations, our mini projector ensures an extraordinary multimedia experience. Advanced connectivity and compatibility. Equipped with the latest Android TV system, 2.5G/4G plus dual-band Wi-Fi 6, USB, and HDMI inputs, our ceiling projector seamlessly integrates with mainstream smartphones, tablets, and streaming services. Enjoy hassle-free entertainment, whether streaming online content or connecting external devices. Additionally, choose from popular video apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, all pre-installed on the projector. Note: Disney Plus is a third-party app and may not be compatible. If needed, please contact us via email to request the APK file. Portable and user-friendly design. Compact and lightweight, video projector is perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Its intuitive interface and controls ensure easy operation wherever you are. With built-in Bluetooth and wireless HDMI connectivity, connecting your devices is seamless. Elevate your entertainment experience with our versatile and user-friendly projector solution. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.